it? Is it for both of them? Oh.
Whoa! I think I found something so cool. Whoa! A Sonic Comet.
Yay!
Let me straighten this up. That's it. Can you open this? Open it up. Look, Amy Rose. Look, it's Amy Rose.
All right.
Open this.
That's to Bella from Emo and Epo.
Why did you get this big house? How? How did you get it?
Got it at the store.
But how did you put it in your hands?
Well, it's collapsible.
Daddy
You
did
can
it.
fold it up.
Hey, Bella,
Don't-
look.
It's collapsible. Bella, it is. A Power Rangers
Look, Bella.
toy set. Sweet.
What is it?
A Power Rangers toy set.
What is it?
Look at Power Rangers toy
What
set.
are they?
So cool. I gotta show you this, Nana. So, does it have any batteries?
More shoes? Ooh, and a Brave DVD. Oh my gosh.
Is that awesome? Do you love it?
He's so cute.
Oh, those shoes are beautiful. You could put those on right now, couldn't you?
Yeah, I can just pick up this.
You do.
Look,